Welcome to another episode of Student Meals. Today we're making a vegetable and bacon omelette that was inspired by a dish that my parents used to make when I was a little child. So we hope you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 200 grams of vegetables. We bought these pre-made, pre-chopped up vegetables. If you want, you can chop up vegetable yourself. You can choose whatever you like, but I like to just see what the store has, and I chose these. 100 grams of bacon blocks, about 6 eggs, some pepper and some salt, and finally a little bit of olive oil. Let's do this. First of all, we're going to break the eggs in a mixing bowl. And now we're just going to whisk them up, season them with some salt, and of course pepper, and mix them up again. There we go. Now set it aside. Take a frying pan and put it on a fire. Put your pan on a medium-low fire and add the bacon. We're not going to add any olive oil here because the bacon already has enough fat of its own. And then just let it fry until it's crispy. Can you already see all of the fat coming out of the bacon? So it's good that we just don't add any olive oil in this step. As you can see, my bacon is nice and golden brown. I'm going to turn off the fire and transfer them to a plate covered with kitchen paper.
It's supposed to be.
So as you can see, I cleaned out my pan because there were some bacon bits left and I don't want them to burn any further. Put your pan back on the fire and turn on the heat. Add a little bit of olive oil and let it get hot. When it's hot, add the vegetables and give them a good stir. So we're going to let our vegetables fry until they're completely done. The vegetables are done and now I'm going to add in the bacon again. Give it a good mix. Spread everything evenly in your pan and now add the egg. Lower your fire to low and put a lid on your pan. We don't have a lid that's big enough, so we're using some aluminum foil. And now just fry it until your egg is not runny anymore. A few minutes later, as you can see, it's completely done. Now we're going to transfer it to a plate. Wow.
It's so perfect. Look at this.
It's like the plate is made for this omelette. Now I really like to eat this with some rice and some nice good sweet and sour sauce. I just love the combination of the eggs with the vegetables, the rice and the sauce, but that's completely up to you. Time for a taste test. Let's take a bit. This is just, it's so simple, but it's really so good and so delicious. Especially when you buy the vegetables, it's done like in no time and it's really, really good. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.